So y'all, this is the completed birthday get ready with me look. So y'all, the hair we're using today is from Superbwigs. Again, thank you so much to them for sending me this wig. I really liked the way this came together. I was a little nervous at first because it's blonde, and y'all know how I feel about short hair. But in the box, it came with 2 wig caps. They also gave me some elastic bands. As you can see, the wig is a 13x6 wig, but on the sides it's only like about an inch deep of parting space. So I wish they would have provided a little bit more parting space on the sides, but that's fine because you can still pull off a side part with this wide 13x6 parting space. As you can see, the wig comes pre-plucked, so that was pretty good. I didn't have to pluck much, but I still plucked a little bit because I like my hairlines a little more natural. Also, as you can see, the color is a really pretty color. It's not too yellowy, but I still wanted to tone the hair because I didn't want it yellow at all, but it's not too yellow, so that's a good thing. So I'm starting off with using shimmer lights, and I'm just literally toning the hair like the watercolor method. I have some warm water in the sink. I put some shimmer lights in there, mix it up, and I'm just dipping the hair in and out and using the comb to run it through to make sure that it's not too splotchy. And y'all see how this goes. So as you guys can see, the hair came out pretty like silver, but still with like just really platinum overall. But this was fine. Like, this is how I wanted it to be. I wanted it to have really icy undertones. Like, I really didn't want it to be yellow. Like, I really wanted it to be really ashy and just platinum. So that's what I was going for. So I'm using 2 medium ash blondes and 1 ultra light ash blonde, and I'm using all 3 of those bottles, and I'm literally just putting it all over the hair randomly and just soaking the hair in the dye. And I let it sit for about an hour and a half or 2.
Drown. Bitch, I'm playing with a chick, I don't play around. Thumbing.
So my camera's out of storage, so I'm about to finish my get ready with me on my phone. Y'all, this glitter is so bomb. Like, I ain't used this in a minute. Bitch, stop playing. Ooh. Next song. This is trash. What? I don't even know that song. When you was planning to do a natural look. But I was lit, man. I got creative. So I just finished my makeup. I put my lashes on. I'm gonna add a little bit more highlight. And then I'm gonna call it a day for makeup. So so now I'm just go back with some matte liquid lipstick and I'm gonna line my lips. This is my completed birthday makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this hair. Again, thank you so much to Superbwigs for sending me this hair. This wig is really bomb. I showed y'all how I dyed this hair. I showed y'all pretty much how I installed it, and I also showed y'all how I tinted the lace, which also I used the Tailored Crowns lace tint in medium brown. That's what I used to tint the lace. So I really like that as well. I put this lace tint to test this time because this is 613 hair, and as y'all can see, it literally like tinted my lace to perfection. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, it's my 19th birthday. This is my get ready with me. I'm showing y'all the look, you know, hair, makeup, all of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.